4, 3, 2, 1.
So this has been the best experience.
I thought it was a lot of fun. It's great to see even more people that are all in the same boat that we're in.
You get to really get that interaction that you're not going to get online.
It was a good combination of education, content, networking.
Fantastic event. I think probably the most valuable thing from my perspective was being able to share with other people from around the country and hearing some of the strategies that they're using.
This is a efficient, fun way to grow alongside people who are hell-bent on excellence and like trying to get better.
I came away from there not only inspired, but with concrete ideas.
Got a lot of notes that I got to bring back with me.
I don't lack motivation and I don't lack drive. I need to know how, so I'm not recreating the wheel. And that's what I get here. That's what I got here.
When you're in person, you really feel a connection.
You know, I've learned a lot. I've been to a few in my years, but this is one that has really, touched me because it just goes beyond the business. It goes beyond property management. It makes you become just a better person, and just, a lot of the things that we've learned here, you can apply to your family. You can apply to just life in general. So this is a great time. I really appreciate it.
This is where you come to get your toolbox, your equipment, to then build and go forward and do. I got a lot of good advice and things that we're implementing right away.
It's a community of people who are on the same path.
Make sure you don't miss the next one. It's a lot of fun.
So yeah, if anybody hasn't been to one of the conferences, go.
Be here, learn this. You're not going to regret it.